Desmond Doig, the famous journalist, lived in Calcutta and spent most of his time in Kathmandu and Nepal. He died long years ago. But he said that the comforting vision of Nepal, with its emerald fields and terracotta huts and purple rain, that's what he remembered about Nepal. But sadly, what we saw in the last 2 days was anything but that. And on behalf of, I think, everyone in the country, along with West Bengal, where we also had casualties, we're not sure yet whether it's 3 or 4, we convey our deepest sympathies to the families and of those who lost their lives. Sir, for such a situation like this, our belief is that the formula has to be PIC, P-I-C, preparedness, infrastructure, communication. Obviously, from an Indian point of view, our learning yesterday, whether it was the central government or whether it was the state government, governments of UP, of Bihar, of Bengal and the central government, I think that we thought the communication was very, very strong. People went out, whether it was the Chief Minister of Bengal or from the Prime Minister's office or other offices, there was a lot of good communication. So that's a learning for all of us. The infrastructure, that's another country, I don't want to comment on that, but the preparedness, disaster like this should make us also prepare ourselves better for something like this. It's my duty to bring this House up to date on what happened in Bengal in terms of the rescue. The disaster management teams were being monitored. In fact, that was unfortunate in that sense, but everyone forgot about the local elections in Bengal. The administration were very focused on the rescue effort, and the disaster management meetings were held, chaired by the Chief Minister, from 12:30 in the morning. The disaster team went out that evening. Everyone was very concerned. To a specific part was 15 mountaineers from Bengal came back safely. So praise all the gods for that. And the team left. Yesterday, the Chief Minister of Bengal was in North Bengal monitoring the situation, and she had the opportunity to meet the families of those who had lost their lives. And also the communication effort, the disaster management efforts, especially up in North Bengal, Siliguri, Jalpaiguri, Darjeeling, I think it was very well handled. The central government also, and in all this, we always look at the army, who are always there. So I think the army needs to be congratulated. Sir, we end with one suggestion, sir. The National Disaster Management Authority was dissolved. Not by having a National Disaster Management Authority would have solved the earthquake problem, but our suggestion, sir, is that out of a board of 11 or 12 members, there are now only 3 members who've been appointed. Our humble suggestion is to make that into 11, so not to keep those seats vacant. Our prayers and our thoughts are with the people of Nepal and across the states in India which are affected.
Okay, thank you, Sri Gulan.